Is there anything more taxing than scrubbing the grimy surfaces of your kitchen and bathroom for hours on end? Those hard-to-reach corners, stubborn grout, and the never-ending quest to restore the initial gleam of your tiles can drain so much energy. But what if we told you there's a tool that can turn this tedious task into an absolute breeze? Let's introduce you to the Holikme 6Pack Drill Brush Power Scrubber. This game changer not only reduces your cleaning time, but this innovative tool transforms scrubbing from tiring elbow work to a satisfyingly speedy process. Attach the brush to any ordinary drill and watch how it works its magic, reaching those narrow spaces with ease and making your tub, shower, tiles sparkle like never before. Enjoy the cleaner, sparkly environment of your bathroom and kitchen with Holikme 6Pack Drill Brush Power Scrubber. So, say goodbye to conventional scrubbing and say hello to sparkling clean surfaces.